What's going on YouTube? Bumming us here. Come back with some more box breaks. Oh. A lot of packs to go through with this stuff. Dude, there's 36. Man. No, not 36. I'm 24. 36 is old school. Empty box, styrofoam. Good luck, everybody. Push this back a tad. Alright, and then I'll save the patch, obviously for last, 'cause you can feel it, how thick it is. Pack one. Yeah, I haven't pulled the booklet out of this stuff yet, so hopefully we got a Taylor Price rookie for the Pats, number to 999. I only pulled one jersey card out of this stuff too. People will say they pull jerseys all the time, but I've busted like 5 or 6 boxes and I've only pulled one jersey card. I got a triple Paul Hornung, Matt Forte, Toby Gerhart, number to 299. Nothing special really. Just insert. Extra hits to jersey. Thank you. And I pulled one of them one time, but all base. Yeah, the duo I pulled before, number 25, Clausen and Bradford. Well, I pulled a couple of Bradfords out of this stuff. Pulled a regular one, numbered to 150 or 145 or something like that. And the Clausen Bradford duo. I pulled some nice stuff out of this. Jordan Shipley rookie to 999. Cincy oil like that. Phillip Rivers to 499 for the Chargers. You got it? There you go. You got 2 of them now. You don't have that one numbered though. That's a 101 because it's number 2 something of 999. It's eBay 101. All base. No, that's low numbered. For the Texans, a Steve Slayton platinum blue, number 10 of 10. Not autographed or nothing, but platinum blue Steve Slayton, 10 of 10. Pretty nice. Whoever had the Texans. First autograph, it's going to go to the Browns, numbered 188 of 780. It's a rookie autograph of Carlton Mitchell. Carlton Mitchell, rookie auto. Whoever the Browns. I've had the Browns in the past couple breaks I've been in, and done pretty good with them. So, Browns are actually one of the better teams to have in 2010. They've got so many rookies, plus Colt McCoy. And then we got my Terry Hardesty, Carlton Mitchell, Colt McCoy. All base. There's our patch auto. Yeah, Fresh Prince. I haven't seen that show in a long time. You don't hear me say anything, it's all base. Still looking for 2 more hits. Got a Jonathan Crompton rookie for the Chargers, numbered 473 of 999. Here's one of our gold inserts. You can feel the thickness. It's going to be for the Saints, who were out of the break, then in the break, then out of the break again. Jonathan Vilma, number to 759, gold. Nothing special. All base. Got a LaDainian Tomlinson, just an insert, number 999. Just one of those black inserts there. Number 968, 999. There you go for Cincy Boy. Probably doesn't have this one. 41 of 499 gold rookie of Jordan Shipley. Not an autograph or nothing, but gold rookies. Maybe he does have that one. But he doesn't have that one number like that. He's got it, figures. Alright. And all base. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left plus the patch auto. Got another autograph, or second autograph actually. Going to be number 457 of 480 for the Chicago Bears of Dan Lefevre. Dan Lefevre rookie auto. So whoever had the Bears got a hit. Bears actually been hitting pretty good with me the past couple weeks. Last week they did really good. The Jay Cutler autograph patch number /5 and the McMahon 3-color patch number /25. There's another, damn, a lot of Bengals inserts in here. Gold insert number 34 of 49 for the Bengals of Ocho Cinco. Ocho Cinco insert. 3 packs left. Here's the other gold insert. It's going to be for the Bears, number 88 of 759 of Matt Forte. Matt Forte. Show that real quick. 2 packs left. Got our patch here and then another gold insert. Other gold inserts for the Redskins. It's going to be number 759 of Clinton Portis. And I'll slow roll our patch auto for you guys. Last pack. Figure out which way it goes. It's going this way. Alright, good luck. Here you go. Uh-oh. Nice patch. Not Bradford, but it was a Ram. Nice looking patch. Thought it was Bradford again. Nice card though. Marty Gilliard. 2-color patch auto, number /349. Sick looking though. Nice looking patch. Nice looking autograph. You never know, he might grow with Sam Bradford to be a pretty good receiver, so congratulations to the Rams. Nice looking card. A lot of stitching in there if you don't see that. Looks like it tried to break again. They just missed it. But not a bad box. Could have been better, could have been a lot worse. Come back with some more. Bowman Suit out.